Hey guys, so I have here my JBL FREE X truly wireless earbuds, and one of these earbuds, that's here the left one, this one is kind of broken. So the problem with this one is that it doesn't play any audio that is streamed to the earbud, so it still makes the noises when you turn on or turn off the earbud, like these little jingles, but the streamed sound from your smartphone that you just don't hear. And that's why I thought, why not just open this thing up so we can all see what's going on inside of one of these earbuds. For example, when you wanted to replace the batteries, and I can show you how to get access to that. So first, of course, we have to open this up now, and we see the seam here between the front and the back portion. See this little seam that goes all around, so that's where we're going to pry this one open. And at first I was thinking that this may be glued together, but that's not the case at all. So the two pieces of the shell are really just clipped together. So if I put here my pocket knife in between those two pieces here and I just pry a little bit, then eventually I can open up one of those clips. And I'm going to pry this open on the side where the driver is, because there is just one of those clips that we have to detach here. So see, I opened this up relatively easily. And then once you have one of those clips detached, you see this already open up there, then it's really easy to take the cover here off. And we can see already here is the other two clips that I was talking about. See here, one on the left and one on the right. Those are still intact, and the one on the front or on the top that I opened up with the knife, you see I accidentally damaged this one a little bit. And so now we can already see here the PCB of the earbud, and right now the earbud is still turned on. You see this by the blue blinking LED. And then here we have the button on the outside of the earbud. You see, this is what you push when you press the button from the outside. Then you press on this little metal plate there that you see in the middle of the PCB. So let me push on this plate with my tweezers so that we can turn off the earbud for now, so that we don't have the blinking light all the time. See, I press and hold this for like, I think 5 seconds, and then eventually the earbud is going to turn off. See that white light, that was the turning off signal. So now let's have a closer look at the PCB and then also what's going on underneath. Now the first thing that I notice are these two pins here. Look at these, sticking up from the board. And those are not for charging. You see here the contacts for the charging, to make contact with the charging case. Those are on the opposite side here. So these pins must have some different function. And I don't know what they're used for. Maybe they use them for antennas to connect to the other earbud, to the right earbud. I really have no idea what this is used for. And so now let me pull the board up a little bit so that we can look at the opposite side. See, there's a lot of other stuff going on here as well. And then also we see here the battery immediately. So let me take the battery out so we can see what type of battery that is, and maybe we can replace this if we needed to. But first let's have a closer look at the back side here of the PCB. When I first found out about the audio issue with my earbud here, I was hoping that there would actually be just like a loose wire or something. But that doesn't seem to be the case here, considering you can still hear the audio feedback from turning on and turning off the earbud. So I don't think there's going to be an issue with a disconnected wire. So now let's continue to the battery. And as you can see here, there is this piece of foil on top of the battery. It's really sticking on there, it's glued on there pretty well. So I have to peel it off by hand. There's actually a second piece on there too. And I'm going to take both of those off. So those are there to separate the battery from the PCB so that there's no short ever happening. And now it took me quite a bit of force here to get the battery actually out. And the battery is of type CP1454, and there are replacements, so you can order those online. I'm going to put a link below. So you should be able to replace this battery relatively easily. I mean, the wires to the batteries, those are welded on, so you can see this here, those couple of welding spots here. So maybe you can solder the wires to the new battery in case you don't have a welder for this. And now underneath the battery we find another board, like a small board wedged in there. Also it looks like it's been caulked in there. So that's where the contacts for the charging are located on. You see this here? You can't see those contacts right now from this side, of course. And then here, right above that, that's where the driver is sitting at. You can see this here. From the back side you see the driver, and then there's the 2 leads going to the PCB. Also looks like there's a magnet around those wires. I don't know what else that could be. And now we have already seen all that is to these earbuds here. We've seen the entire JBL FREE X earbud from inside. And now it is really easy to put this thing back together in one piece without even being able to notice that it was ever opened. And so it will still be functioning afterwards, so it really is possible to replace the battery of one of these earbuds. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any more questions or comments, then please leave a message below. And don't forget to check out my other videos.